Hi, I'm Adrien Beyk, founder and CEO of Quanta Vici. Today I'm personally making this video to show you how to use your smart heated gloves and socks. So here we have our smart wearable. Before unboxing, I would recommend installing our app. To install the app, go to the App Store and search for Quanta Vici. Of course, you do not need to have the app for this product to function, but it is highly recommended for the best results. Our products are designed to work right out of the box. Inside each package, you can expect to find either a pair of smart heated gloves or a pair of smart heated socks. You can also find a pair of USB-C cables for charging the products. There's also a manual book, which includes a personal note from myself to you. To power on the device, first make sure the batteries are properly connected. Each product has a battery pocket. Inside you will find the battery. Here, take out the battery. It looks something like this, and there is a wire which has a cap on it. If you remove the cap, you can see the connector, and the connection is made like this. Next, what you want to do is you want to place the battery inside a battery pocket in a way that the wire doesn't get tangled up and feels most comfortable. Close the battery pocket and do the same thing for the other pair. Next, you can turn on the device by pressing the button 3 times. When you power on the product, you would see a bunch of different colors showing. If the first color is blue and the last color is red, that indicates that the device from a cool state being powered off is now powered on, going to red. If you press 3 times again, you can turn it off. And you would see that now it starts from the color red and ends on the color blue because it is turned off. And you can check the status by pressing the button once. If nothing happens, then you know that the device is not turned on anymore. If there's light, then you know it's powered on. The number of pulses that you see indicates the battery life. And the color of the light you see indicates the heat level, the temperature setting. 4 pulses indicates 100% battery life. 3 pulses indicates 75% battery life, 2 pulses indicates 50%, 1 pulse for 25%, and flashes of red, you would know that you need to connect it to the charger. You can use the same button to switch between your 3 customizable temperature settings. Simply press it for 3 seconds, and you will see both hands pulsing the same color. And that's the beautiful thing. Each pair is connected together, so you do not need to set them both separately. If you change the temperature on one of them, the other one gets a signal and syncs up. So let's check the status. You see purple pulsing three times. So it means that we have a battery life at 75% and it is at medium. Purple indicates medium temperature setting. The low temperature setting is indicated by the color of cyan, and red indicates the highest temperature setting. So I can press and we have red now. Your Quanta Vicis have built-in night visibility light. To enable it, hold down the button for 5 seconds. So we have it on one hand and we have to do this separately. The temperature setting does sync up, but we do not sync up the night visibility light. And to turn it off, for each hand you need to hold it for another 5 seconds. To charge your Quanta Vicis, first make sure that they are powered off. But here's the cool thing. We have designed these products so that if you do want to be using them at the same time that you're charging it, it is possible. Your Quanta Vici wearables ship with this long and durable USB-C wire, so that if you want to be using them at the same time that you're charging your wearables, the wires can hold up to a lot of different activities. To find a USB-C port on the wearable for the gloves, it is below the button. So you lift it up, there is a small opening, and boom. As always, to check this status, press the button once. A pulsing white color indicates that the charging of the battery is still in progress, and a solid green or blue light indicates that the battery is fully charged. When you first receive your package, the batteries do have some charge in them, but I highly recommend leaving them to fully charge before the first time use. To connect your phone to your Quanta Vicis, first turn both pairs on. Then turn on the Bluetooth on your phone's settings. Next, open the Quanta Vicis app, and then there you will see a list of available Quanta Vici devices nearby. Simply tap and you are connected. The app shows you the exact temperature sensed by your Quanta Vicis. There's also a slider that allows you to select the temperature that you would like. On the status bar, you can see whether the wearables are maintaining a temperature that you have set or they are heating up to reach that temperature level. On the left hand side, you see some tiny buttons. Each of them indicates something about the local weather. There are also 3 heat levels that can be customized by going to the Edit Device page. On the Edit Device page, you can see low, medium, high, which is your chill, warm, and burn nicknames, and you can set the temperature that is behind each of those heat levels. If you scroll down to the bottom of this page, there is an Update Device button. Just with any smart device, I highly recommend keeping your Quanta Vicis fully updated and never skipping on a software update. Beyond the individual device settings page, there is a universal account settings page where you can select your desired temperature units and other preferences. To watch your Quanta Vicis, first make sure that you have disconnected and remove the batteries from the battery pockets. It is also really important that you place them inside a washing bag to avoid damage to the smart controller button. Although these devices are designed to be waterproof, electronics never have fun being inside a washing machine with all the turning and the impact and the water. So whenever possible, try to take good care of them and use wipes instead of putting them in a washing machine where the environment is so harsh and unforgiving. I invite you to share with us your experience of unboxing and using your Quanta Vicis through social media. And if you'd like, let us know. We can feature you on our own pages and channels. Be sure to follow Quanta Vici's Instagram page by searching Quanta Vici. And if you're interested in entrepreneurship or some behind the scenes stories, you can also follow me directly on Instagram and YouTube by searching Adrien Beyk. I invite you to be vocal about your user experience with our products, with our customer service, with everything, with the whole process, and leave ratings and reviews whenever and wherever possible. We really appreciate you. Thank you.